Let's move your nervous system. We'll practice the basic exercise. So to do this, we'll interlace our fingers behind our head. You're going to keep your nose pointing forward and you're going to take your gaze to the periphery. So we're just working with creating a strong peripheral gaze. You'll notice perhaps some shifts in your breath. It's normal to sigh, to yawn, to have a deep out breath here in this practice. So let's begin. Interlace your fingers behind your head and just rest your head softly into your hands. You'll keep your nose forward and we're going to stretch your eyes just a little bit wider. And while keeping your nose forward, take your gaze over to your right elbow. And we're just stretching our peripheral vision here as you turn your gaze. Just begin to notice your breath. Again, you might notice a sigh, a yawn. We'll take our gaze forward again. You can soften your gaze or close your eyes. We'll take just a breath in between before we do the other side. Now open your eyes. We're going to take it to the other side. Take your gaze over to the left elbow. Just stretching your peripheral vision. Notice your breath. Any shifts. Yawn, a sigh, swallow. Take your gaze forward again. Release your arms. And just notice any shifts in your nervous system, any shifts in your body, any shifts in your stress response. This basic exercise comes from the work of Stanley Rosenberg and his work, The Healing Power of the Vagus Nerve. The basic exercise is meant to reset vagal tone and turn on the parasympathetic nervous system, bringing us into that rest and digest stage and helping us complete a stress response.